Maybe seeing a setup forming here. See whether we want to trade deeper into it or if we want to bounce from there. I want to trade deeper. Okay, so we wait. Nice, and I like the fact that we've taken out those lows. I still want to use these longs. The bounce. I'm looking for the bounce. Let's see here. Can we get this flip? Take that. Okay, let's see here. We got the sweep that I was looking for. We got this sweep. Sweep of this as well. So if we inverse that, I'm taking that. If we inverse this, I'm taking that. I'm definitely taking this for sure. I like it. And I'm in.
Order filled.
And these YM longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside here. Let's put this up there. He's got a nice push from here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. As soon as we take out these highs, I'm break even. Let's keep it pushing. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Love to see that. Let's keep pushing here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We BE at this line. We BE right here. As soon as we cross that line, I'm break even. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nice. Breaking even here. Stops at break even. Let's keep it pushing. Nice, 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 nice. That's what I like to see. Let's keep pushing, let's keep pushing. I do want to be a bit greedy, but I don't think I will be. No need to be. Let's go. Almost at TP here. Let's smash through that. Ooh, I love how it's climbing. I love it. I love it. You're a little bit greedy. Well, don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. I'm just being foolish right now. Actually, let me just do that. I'm just being foolish. Let's smash through that. Come on. Let's not. Let me just take my profit. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Almost there. Almost there. Let's smash through that. Let's smash through that.
Order filled.
Already took me out. Boom. That is exactly how it's done. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Did want to be a bit greedy, but there's no need to do that. So done for the day. Nice trade, guys. Nice, beautiful trade. Straight to the point. No, we love trades like these. We love trades like these, man. Love trades like these. It did exactly what I wanted tapped into that fair value gap, traded exactly where I wanted it to go. Beautiful trade. But yeah, so basically how I took this trade, I came into the market. So based on the coconut model, you kind of have to have a bias. Like, it helps if you have a bias, at least based on how I've structured the model. So I come into the market and I see that, and the bias has to make sense. Like, I see we're tapping into this 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm looking at it and I'm looking like, okay, if we could possibly bounce from here, from this 4-hour fair value gap. You see, we tapped into it cleanly and we didn't inverse it. I'm like, okay, we could possibly bounce from here and go for these highs up here. So yeah, that's basically the whole idea I came in with. And then as market open, you know, we got this huge push to the upside. I'm not looking to take any trades on that. We got a retracement back. I was looking for us to retrace back into this 5-minute fair value gap because remember, I was already biased. I was looking for longs because we were in that 4-hour fair value gap. So once we bounce into that 5-minute, all I need for a continuation move is for us to get an inversion of a fair value gap, which we got right here, the closest one. As soon as we got the inversion, boom. And also, I like to see lows getting swept before an inversion. Those are higher quality trades. So you can see we created a low here. Price came, swept it, as you can see right here. I don't know if, let me just use this. So you can see there's a low here. Price came and swept it here at the highlighted place. Boom, swept it. Boom, and then gave us the inversion. Clean trade for me. That's clean trade. 40 tick stop loss, 100 tick take profit. Boom, took that, and that's that. Banger trade. I'm still on vacation in Ghana, having a great time, and we're killing the markets as well. Beautiful trade, and that is exactly how we do it. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more trading content. Peace out.